In a recent interview with Xinhua, a Kenyan economist said that the two-party political system in the United States has made American elections a game for the rich.
So if you want to influence people to change the way they think, you have to use certain means. And one of them is money. So they influence your mind. You have to use advertisements, town hall meetings, and a lot of advertisement, a lot of meetings. And that costs money. So in the long run, you find that if you are going to win, you have to spend a lot of money. So it's because of the two-party political system that makes political parties in the US very expensive.
Speaking of gun violence, Iraqi said that guns have always been easily available in the United States, and gun violence has been exacerbated by long-standing social problems in the country.
Having lived in the US for a number of years, I realized that the gun violence is a real issue. In my opinion, the reason why gun violence is common is not just because of constitutional requirement that you can buy a gun. It's also because a lot of people feel powerless. They feel powerless against a system that they don't understand. And when you feel helpless, you become very dangerous. So the gun violence is not just caused by the founding fathers who made it constitutional to bear arms, but also by the socio-economic circumstances that sometimes don't give people other opportunities to express their frustration and anger and lack of upward mobility.